What if you had it all, but nobody to call? Maybe then you know me. Hi, and welcome to the channel. First, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the A major, composed of the C sharp, E, and A, and the bass note of A. Then you're gonna have the F sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, F sharp, and A, and the bass note of F sharp. Then you'll have the B minor, composed of the D, F sharp, and B, and the bass note of B. And finally the G major, composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. Feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you understand the song even better. Let's begin by the introduction. So here's the corresponding table. So you're gonna take the first chord, G major, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord, 2 and 3, chord, and then 4, bass and chord again. And you're gonna do this for all the other chords. So F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So to complete the introduction, play this table once. And for the upcoming verse, I am very happy to let you know that you will be able to keep the same table as well as the same method. Directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. Everybody knows my name now, but something about it still feels strange. Like looking in a mirror trying to steady yourself and seeing somebody else. And repeat the table one more time to complete the first verse. Here I'm only singing excerpts since you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. Then right after this, you will reach the first chorus. So here's the corresponding table for that section. And you're gonna repeat this table 3 times in total, but for the last round, just play and hold the chords once. So the first round would go like this. What if you had it all, but nobody to call? Maybe then you know me. Repeat, okay? So the second round, repeat the table exactly the same way, and for the third and last round, play the chorus just once, like this. I'm so lonely, lonely. Second verse. So now what you need to do is replay everything from the first verse one more time, but keep in mind that the second chorus is longer, so instead of playing the table 3 times, just play it 4 times. I wish you good luck and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.